Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. I just parked the car at Best Buy. I'm going to go in there in a couple minutes. They are supposed to have the Samsung Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus demo devices set up today. But before I go in, I'm going to eat some lunch. I am super hungry. Got some tacos from my favorite little restaurant in town. Corn tortillas, spicy pork, spicy beef, cilantro, cebolla. Man, yeah, that's a great taco. So I'm going to eat my lunch, go in there and get some hands-on with these demo devices. The only thing I can get out of this experience today is the look and the feel. The functionality is not going to be what you're going to get out of the actual Samsung Galaxy S9, S9 Plus. Okay, these are demo devices. But get a little hands-on and experience a little bit of what the device can give me for what it is here in store. I may be bringing in the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, still considering it. You can let me know down below if you're going to be picking up either the S9 or the S9 Plus. Maybe you're getting both. Maybe you're a YouTube reviewer and you're going to bring in the whole shabam. Who knows? But if you are a YouTube reviewer, and especially if it's anybody out there that I know, I'll be looking forward to your reviews, especially if I don't bring one in. Okay, I'm not going to bring in both. I would bring one in, and most likely it would be the Plus. So, yeah, I'm going to go do that, and then I'm going to take some pictures, maybe some video. I'll attach it to this vid, and we'll just get a little more knowledge about these devices as far as in hand and, you know, the look. And that's all, again, that's all we can get out of a demo device. Okay, that's about it. Enjoy the video. Enjoy the rest of it. I'm going to eat my lunch and then go in. Peace. God bless. Thanks for being a part of my Project 13. If you're not subscribed, please do that. Hit the notification button so you can be notified when I upload a video. And more importantly, man, share the video on all your social media. Follow me over at Twitter at Anthony131368, Google+, and here on YouTube. Thank you very much, because without you, man, this journey doesn't happen. Without you, there is no My Project 13. Almost 5,000 subs. Almost. I'm out. God bless.
Quick video sample of the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Yes, it looks and feels just like the S8 Plus outside of the fingerprint reader, now located in a different area beneath the cameras. Super AMOLED display, 2K display, beautiful, gorgeous 18.5 by 9 aspect ratio. You got the latest and greatest Qualcomm Snapdragon 845, 4 gigs of RAM, plenty of storage, 8 megapixel shooter on the front, two 12 megapixel shooters on the rear, wide angle 2x optical zoom. Seeing how quick the S9 Plus refocuses itself, the cameras and video are an area that I'll definitely be testing out on the S9 Plus if I bring it in. Just like the Sony Xperia XZ Premium, you have slow-mo at 960 frames per second. Beautiful. Listen to the dual speaker setup on the S9 Plus in this next clip.